Hi, I'm Katy from SpecialistInfo and Hummingbird Holistics. As a reflexologist and complementary therapist, I talk to my clients a lot about pain. Pain is one of those universal languages that we all know. Everyone has experienced pain in some way, and when it hits, there is nothing worse. Things that we can do to help, especially since we're working from home, we're hunching over our laptops, we're hunching in very odd positions, trying to, work from an unsuitable height and things like that. So making sure that we're getting up and moving. Moving is one of the most important things you can do to alleviate pain. Even just going for a walk, getting some fresh air, getting that oxygen flowing, blood flow around your body as well. That will all really help to alleviate pain. If you have any specific knots or tightening in muscles, things like a tennis ball, which most of us have at home kicking around somewhere. If you put a tennis ball between, for example, your shoulder blade and the wall, and then roll your shoulder over the tennis ball, it will actually start to loosen the knots in the muscle, and it will help just ease that tension, melt those knots, and you'll start to feel better. Quite often, for example, when I have a headache or I've got a migraine coming on, I'll put the tennis ball under my occipitals at the back of my head and just roll it backwards and forwards against the wall, and it just releases all of that tension under your under your skull, and it really does help just to, make you feel a bit normal again. Also, foam rollers are a fantastic investment. Foam rolling is similar to the tennis ball, but rather than it being more pinpointed, you can use the foam roller to work on larger muscles like your hamstrings or your back or your quads and things like that. So that's a really good investment as well to think about.